This is the reservoir that was built to supply water to eastern towns. That train tunnel was built to bring all the water. This is the second biggest body of water in Massachusetts, and the walk across the dam is closed today. I guess it's open in the summertime where you can walk across, but not today. No trespassing for today. This is as far as I can go as far as this. You see down there? In the summertime, I assume that is a fountain in the middle. And you see over here in the river, those pilings, that's where there used to be a large train trestle. That train trestle goes over here into the woods, and the train tunnel I was just at is right here in the woods. That train trestle would have gone over the road, and this train trestle, it's not like the bridge was way down there. The bridge is way up here. There was a very high bridge, because the train would have gone from here all the way across onto that hill. It didn't dip at all. It looks like you can go on to the other side. You see there's people climbing over there. So I'd have to walk down these stairs and up those stairs on the other side, which I'll do in a few moments, just to get to the other side. Just walk down these stairs, about halfway down. Here I am at the bottom. I believe this is a fountain, or was a fountain. Here's a small waterfall, which shows it's barely trickling, if at all. So this has got to be a reservoir, a river reservoir, like there's another dam up there. You can see all the big bridge supports going across. Off to the side there's this trough and like a faucet part on there. What did this thing used to be? A fountain at one point. The train tunnel is right up on this hill. I'm at the bottom now. There's a road and a fence. Something happened to this guardrail. But there are the pilings for the bridge. This is a really high bridge when it was made. It was level with the top of this hill. This bridge over here where you see all the water coming out of, that is the overflow for the big dam. There's an old foundation up here. Maybe there was a small building at one point. There's all kinds of erosion along this roadway, if you can see that. There's where I was just standing. You could see all the erosion on the road. Back it up. Here are the supports for the bridge. The tunnel, I don't think you can see it. It would have been up there on the roadway. That's the height of the bridge. Look at that, there's a fishing lure stuck in that bush. Support up on the hill. It appears that one of the supports is not here. I'm climbing up the hill. And I'm going to show where the top of the bridge would have been. Okay, I'm on top of that bridge. where the overflow is. At the beginning of this bridge, there's a sign. When the horn sounds, proceed immediately to shore. I guess in case you were swimming or something. That sign I showed earlier that says no swimming, I think that might be for just the reservoir, not the lower part. It's telling you not to go down there. I don't know about the other body of water. And here's a nice trail that leads to the top of that train trestle. Trail's a little bit icy today. And as soon as you get up here, you can feel it suddenly get freezing. And there's snow everywhere suddenly. That's the trail I was just walking on. Now I'm up here on another level of road. And there are some more supports from the trestle. Still, this is not as high as the trestle. It's still way up in there. I'm gonna climb up to it. There is a trail going up there. Here I am, up on the top. There's that dirt road I was just on. And this is how high the bridge would have been, right across. That is the tunnel. You see it in the center of the screen? Yeah. It's how high it is. There's that road I was just at with the little trail down there with the runoff. So this is where the trains were. This was the train track. A few hundred feet ahead, I'm on top of another bridge above the overflow. And there's a walkway that goes around the entire side of the reservoir. There's the top of the dam, which is closed today. This bridge, I don't know, is this original? It looks old. Maybe this is the same bridge that the trains used to go across. Well, these stairs are so steep. It takes the breath out of you just walking up them. The other plaque over there says the same thing. And there's a steep hill going back up to the parking lot where I started. It's a quite small parking lot. It only fits 5 cars, maybe 8.